So what you can also do is you can choose to whom to post the announcement for inside of Google Classroom. So over here, if I were to go on to this particular classroom right here, then this is what I have. As you can see, I can go around and announce something to the class. If I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that I can go around and select out, let's say, both classrooms for posting as well. Let's say, for example, I can go around and select out both of the classrooms. And let's say, for example, I can go around a something like the field trip is scheduled for next month right here, just like this. And I'm going to go around and post it out. So in this particular classroom, this announcement will be posted. And if I were to go to the other classroom, you can see that it has been posted over here as well. So that is what you can do and choose to announce it for multiple classrooms that you may have. If I were to go around and to announce something to classroom, then what you can also do is you can go around over here and you can see that I have this particular class selected. And apart from that, you can go around over here as well. And to in all student section, you can go around and select out a particular student that you want to post the announcement for. So let's say, for example, the revision classes are scheduled for tomorrow right here. So I can go around and say for particular students, I'm arranging a revision class, so I want them to know that it is happening tomorrow. In that case, you can go around and post it, and what happens is that for that particular one student right here, you can see the list right here, the revision classes announcement is sent. And if you have selected students, then you can do we can post out the announcement for those certain students as well. So that is how you can go around and choose to post an announcement for certain people inside of Google Classroom. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.